Vaccination and strict adherence to the COVID-19 protocols continue to be the main strategies to prevent the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Roshan Parasram urged the population to follow both since the Delta variant has been detected in the community. Kimberly De Souza tells us more.
Since the news that 6 new Delta cases were detected in the country, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Roshan Parasram confirmed the variant is in the early stages of community spread. Dr. Parasram said 5 of the new cases had no travel-related history.
4 of them related to different positives from before, so they would have been contacts of other positive cases. Those cases themselves have not been deemed Delta as yet. Of course, testing is ongoing.
The CMO said the 5th case is pending epidemiological investigation. He added that these 5 patients had little to no symptoms of the COVID-19 virus.
The majority of them seem to be asymptomatic. And the reason we picked up those 4 cases is because of their relation to the other positives. We would have tested and used the new criteria and, of course, sent it onwards for Delta.
Dr. Parasram confirmed the Delta variant is difficult to detect and moves easily throughout the population. The virus has since been detected in various counties.
I think we would have said before there was 1 case in St. George West, there was 1 case in St. George East. We now have cases in County Caroni. We're picking up cases in St. Patrick, I believe, as well as and Victoria. So generally speaking, the cases will mirror where you have your positive cases in the country.
The CMO confirmed the majority of Delta patients are at home, except for a few who have been placed in isolation to prevent a risk of spread. As of Sunday night, there are 17 confirmed cases of the Delta variant in the country. Kimberly De Souza, TTT News.
And the daily tally of COVID-19 fatalities has gone up by 7. The total deaths now stand at 1,464. The Ministry of Health says among the patients to succumb in the last 24 hours are 4 men and 3 women. 106 new positive cases of COVID-19 have also been recorded. The samples were taken during the period September 23rd to 29th. There are now 4,213 active cases in the country, with 287 of those patients at hospital.
In other news, the lines were long, but the process was smooth. This was the general view of those who turned up at the Southern Academy for the Performing Arts in San Fernando on Monday. Some of those who stopped to chat with TTT News either returned for their 2nd dose of the vaccine or brought children to get inoculated against the COVID-19 virus. One concerned parent told TTT News he decided to have his children inoculated as it was an important requirement for them to return to school.
So it is very difficult. They have some teething problems with the online system. Some children are falling through the line, and I believe that how it might remedy once school starts back.
And one young man who received his 1st dose of the Pfizer vaccine on Monday told TTT News he has plans and taking the vaccine will assist him getting things done. His aunt, who accompanied him, also encouraged those who are hesitant to get vaccinated against the virus to just get it done.
Take the vaccine. It's your best shot against the virus, so take the vaccine.
The Ministry of Health says to date, 479,905 people have completed a COVID-19 vaccination regime and 567,206 have received a 1st dose of a 2-dose regime.